Hello?
Hi, can I help you?
You want to leave some food here?
Yes, but I'm not sure how to do.
You're not sure how to do it? No problem. Just open the box and put your food inside.
Can I put cooked food?
Can I put cooked food? No, only packaged or canned food, please.
I have some rice and beans in packets.
That's perfect. Please write the date on the packets.
Okay, I do it now.
Thank you for helping others.
My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You're learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. You are very kind. Have a nice day. Hello.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I look for my lost cat.
You are looking for your lost cat?
Yes, I see a poster here. Is this your board?
Yes, this is the community notice board. What does your cat look like?
She is small and white, with green eyes.
Did you put a photo on the board?
No, I not know how to do.
You don't know how to do it? I can help you. Bring a photo and I will put it up.
Thank you. Can I write my phone number too?
Yes, write your phone number so people can call you.
My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. I hope you find your cat soon.
Hello.
Hi, do you need something?
Yes, I want to borrow an umbrella.
You want to borrow an umbrella?
Yes, it is raining and I forget my umbrella.
No problem. You can take one from the stand.
Do I need to pay money?
Do I need to pay money? No, it is free to borrow.
How long I can keep it?
How long can I keep it? Please bring it back tomorrow.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy you helped me.
You're welcome. Stay dry and have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Hello.
Hi, welcome to the refill shop. How can I help you?
I want to refill my soap bottle.
You want to refill your soap bottle?
Yes, but I not do this before.
You have not done this before? No problem. Just give me your bottle.
Here is my bottle. What I do next?
What do I do next? You can choose which soap you want, lavender or lemon.
I want lemon soap, please.
Great choice. I will fill your bottle now.
How much cost for refill?
How much does the refill cost? It is $2.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Refilling is good for the planet. Have a nice day.
Hello?
Hi, do you want to play the piano?
Yes, but I not know if I can.
You don't know if you can? Yes, the piano is for everyone.
Can I play one song?
Yes, you can play one song.
I am little nervous. Many people here.
Don't worry, everyone is friendly and likes music.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
What if I make mistake?
It's okay to make mistakes. Just enjoy playing.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have fun and play your song.
I will try. Thank you. Hello.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I want borrow a basketball.
You want to borrow a basketball?
Yes, I want play with my friends.
That's great. Do you have your ID card?
I not bring my ID. Is it okay?
You didn't bring your ID? That's okay. Just write your name here.
Okay, I write my name. How long I can keep the ball?
How long can I keep the ball? You can use it for 2 hours.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to play today.
Have fun. Bring the ball back when you finish.
I will. Thank you for your help. Hello.
Hi, welcome to the plant exchange. Can I help you?
Yes, I want swapped my plant.
You want to swap your plant?
Yes, but I not know how it work.
You don't know how it works? No problem. You bring a plant and you can take a new one.
I have a small cactus. Can I swap it?
Yes, you can swap your cactus for any plant on the table.
I like this green plant. Can I take?
Can I take it? Yes, you can take it.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try new plants.
That's great. Enjoy your new plant and come back again.
Thank you. I will. Hello.
Hi. Are you here for the walking tour?
Yes, I want know when next tour start.
You want to know when the next tour starts. The next tour starts at 2 o'clock.
It is long tour?
Is it a long tour? It takes about 1 hour.
I not book before. Can I join now?
You did not book before. Yes, you can join now.
How much costs for the tour?
How much does the tour cost? It is $5.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You're learning.
I am happy to join the tour.
That's great. You will enjoy the city.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful tour.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Knitting Club. Can I help you?
Yes, I want join a knitting session.
You want to join a knitting session?
Yes, but I not knit very well.
You don't knit very well? That's okay. We help beginners.
When is the next session?
I need bring my own yarn.
Do I need to bring my own yarn? No, we have extra yarn for new members.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to learn knitting.
That's wonderful. We are happy to have you.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. See you on Saturday. Hello.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I want charge my laptop here.
You want to charge your laptop here?
Yes, but I'd not used this locker before.
You have not used this locker before? No problem. Open a locker and plug in your laptop.
Do I need pay money?
Do I need to pay money? No, charging is free for 2 hours.
How I lock the door?
How do I lock the door? Just close it and set a code.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to charge my laptop.
That's great. Enjoy your day and your charged laptop.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.